folks, we're here, Shira Camp, elevation of 3850. This is the highest I've ever been in my life. So let's just give you a quick tour of how everything works. This is all our team, all these yellow tents, as we said before. All these camps have like tents and camping teams and hiking teams from wherever they come from. It is what it is. It's DIY over here. We all are given our own tents. And I think one of the most critical things on any expedition is their toilets. This is one of ours. I think we have two. There's another one in that tent over there. This is what it looks like. It is a box. I'm actually going to open it, guys. Hopefully it's not icky. It's good enough. And you flush by just pulling that thing in there, and I guess all the doo-doo goes into there. We have become well acquainted with toilets, and let me just show you the view from here. I'm actually scared of these birds. Do they bite? Oh no, I think I'm like, yo. Shoo, shoo. Hey guys. You know these birds at high altitude? They probably like more. Hey. There's more coming. I don't know, man. They're gonna come from, look at the beak. Yay! Okay. Here is the view. As you can see, we are starting to be above some clouds. Cloud cover actually got worse as the day has progressed. It's getting a little bit nippy. It's very hot in the afternoon. Well, still afternoon, but guys, this bird. Hey man. Hey, scaring me. This is us. Most of the people you see standing on the box, like those guys over there. Specifically, that's a network. Guys trying to make some phone calls, trying to get some connectivity. I'm not roaming. I do not have anything, so won't help me much. And that's a 360 view of where we are at Shira Camp II. Third day on the mountain. It's going to be our third night sleeping here, and tomorrow the journey continues. And this bird is telling me to go. Okay, birdie, I'm out.